student, again our maths teacher. Complex numbers exercise 2.4. If z equal to x plus iy, find the following in rectangular form. So what is your rectangular form? This is your rectangular form. One real part plus imaginary part. The first question, real part of 1 pi z. You have to read RE is real part of 1 pi z. Number 2, real part of I z bar. Number 3, imaginary part of 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i. Im is nothing but imaginary part, right? This all we have completed in exercise 2.3. Now the first one, real part of 1 pi z. What you have to do first? Replace z value x plus iy, right? So real part of 1 pi x plus iy, conjugate of the denominator x minus iy, we are multiplying and dividing. So real part of the product will be numerator x minus iy, denominator real square plus imaginary square, whatever the number, no need to worry, you just write real square plus imaginary square. The question is real part of the expression. So this is your real and this will be imaginary, but denominator is common. So your real part of the expression is x by x square plus y square. So it is clear. The same question we can change in terms of imaginary. That time imaginary part of your 1 pi z will be minus y by x square plus y square. That's it. It's clear. Now the second one, real part of I z is equal to real part of I times z value. So I times z value, ix plus I square y, that will be ix minus y. So real part of this expression is minus y, where you have the number without I, that is called your real part, so minus y. But this is not your question. Your question is in terms of z bar. So real part of I z bar equal to real part of I into I times x minus iy, that will be ix minus I square y. So I square is minus 1, so minus of minus you will get plus y. So this real part of the expression is y. So that is your question, right? The next one, imaginary part of 3z plus 4z bar. Imaginary part of 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i. Again we are replacing z and z bar. You will be getting imaginary part of 3x plus 4x plus 3iy minus 4iy minus 4i. I have skipped these two steps that you can understand easily. So now the imaginary part of 3x plus 4x is 7x, 3iy minus 4iy is minus iy, and minus 4i, we can take I as a common factor. So your imaginary part of the expression is 7x plus I times minus y minus 4. So imaginary only the I part. So no need to take the I, only the terms minus y and minus 4. So that is our final answer. Okay, so one of the 3 mark question. Now the question number 3, the same type of question. If z1 equal to 2 minus I and z2 equal to minus 4 plus 3i, find the inverse of z1, z2 and z1 by z2. Your product z1, z2 is nothing but 2 minus I into minus 4 plus 3i, normal multiplication, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 2 into 3i plus 6i, minus I into minus 4 plus 4i, minus I into 3i, minus 3i square value minus 1, so minus 3 into minus 1 becomes plus 3, 6 plus 4 10i, so it is minus 8 plus 3 becomes minus 5 plus 10i. So how to find the inverse? Is nothing but z1, z2, the whole inverse is nothing but 1 pi z1, z2, that is equal to 1 pi minus 5 plus 10i. So whenever, so what we have to do for inverse? The inverse is common task. Whatever the number, you have to follow the same method. The denominator minus 5 plus 10i. Okay. So you take the conjugate of the function. What is the conjugate of the function? Only thing, this I part. Plus I means you have to write minus. That's it. So plus 10i becomes minus 10i. You multiply and divide. You will be getting numerator minus 5 minus 10i, denominator 5 square and plus 10 square. So 25 plus 100. Denominator always you will get plus sign. no minus sign. So 25 plus 100, 125. Here 5 was minus 5 was common factor, 1 plus 2i. 5 and 125 is 25 times. So minus 1 by 25 into 1 plus 2i. Okay. So they can change the number. You should not accept the same numbers in your question. Now the second one, Z1, Z2, the fold inverse equal to 1 by Z1 by Z2. So the Z2 will be your numerator, Z2 by Z1. Okay. So that is minus 4 plus 3i by 2 minus I. As usual, the conjugate part, 2 minus I is 2 plus I, multiplying and dividing. Your final answer is minus 11 plus 2i by 4 plus 1. This 1 by 5 minus 11 plus 2i. If it is confusing, you take your detailed multiplication and write. Okay. That is your third question. Now we will pass on to the fourth one. The complex numbers u, v and w are related by 1 by u equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w if your u equal to 3 minus 4i and w equal to this is v, that is not u. So if v equal to 3 minus 4i and w equal to 4 plus 3i, find u in Cartesian form. So what is Cartesian form? Cartesian form is nothing but rectangular form. So you should not ask me what is Cartesian form, right? So what is given? 1 by u equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w. Your v value 3 minus 4i and w value 4 plus 3i. We are just cross multiplying. That will be 4 plus 3i plus 3 minus 4i by the product. It is 7 minus I by the multiplication that you can see. So 1 by u equal to 7 minus I by 24 minus 7i. But I need u, so you take the reverse, that is reciprocal. 24 minus 7i by 7 minus I. So what we have to do? The conjugation of denominator. That will be 7 plus I numerator, and denominator also we are multiplying. So denominator will be 49 plus 1. Numerator you have the detailed multiplication. So the final answer 175 minus 25i by 50. You can take 25 as common factor. So 7 minus I by 50. That becomes 1 by 2 of 7 minus I. So this is our rectangular form of or Cartesian form of u. Okay. Now we are going to see one of the example, very important 5 mark question. Now one of the example 2.8. So that 2 plus I root 3 power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 power 10 is real. And the second one, 19 plus 9i by 5 minus 3i whole power 15 minus 8 plus I by 1 plus 2i whole power 15 is purely imaginary. So this is one of the important 5 mark question. It's very simple with the using of your properties. We have the properties in the first video. Now your z is, let z equal to 2 plus I root 3 power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 power 10. I am going to take the question as z. So what will happen with the z bar? Z bar equal to the total bar. Total bar is split into the 2 bar with the using of the property z1 plus z2, the full bar equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. Okay. So that bar can be rewritten as the power is here inside the bar. Here your power is outside the bar. That is 2 plus I root 3 bar power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 bar power 10. This is also the property we had in the last video. Now this will be 2 minus I root 3 power 10 plus 2 plus I root 3 power 10. That is nothing but your 2 plus I root 3 power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 power 10. So what's the difference between this one and this one? Rearranging the second term as first and this will be second. That is your z. So your z bar equal to z. Here no bar. Okay. So z bar equal to z. That implies your z is real. This is one of the property. Z bar equal to z means it's a real. Your z is real. That's it. And number 2, your z we are taking as the question. After that we are finding separately what is the value of this fraction and 8 plus I by 1 plus 2i. 19 plus 9i by 5 minus 3i equal to 19 plus 9i by 5 minus 3i into the conjugate of the denominator, your detailed multiplication, and denominator 25 plus 9, and that is equal to 68 plus 102i by 34. You can take 68 as common, 34 as common factor. It will be 34 times 2 plus 3i by 34. So the fraction 19 plus 9i by 5 minus 3i value is nothing but 2 plus 3i. Like that you have to find the second one. Second one also, 8 plus i by 1 minus 8 plus i by 1 plus 2i equal to the conjugate we are taking and multiplying both numerator and denominator. So you are taking the multiplication 8 minus 16i plus i minus 2i square by real square plus imaginary square. You have to think this is real square plus imaginary square, right? So the numerator will be 8 plus 2 minus 15i by 1 plus 4, that is 10 minus 15i by 5. 5 as common factor. So 5 we can cancel, 2 minus 3i. So the second fraction is nothing but 2 minus 3i. Therefore your z equal to, the second question is 2 plus 3i power 15 minus 2 minus 3i whole power 15. So therefore z bar becomes the function total bar, that is divided into 2 bar, that is 2 plus 3i power 15 whole bar and 2 minus 3i power 15 the whole bar. So now the power is inside and power is outside, that is 2 plus 3i bar power 15 minus 2 minus 3i bar power 15. So that will be the conjugate of 2 plus 3i is 2 minus 3i power 15 minus 2 plus 3i power 15. But I need the positive term is always first. So I can take minus as common factor. It will be 2 plus 3i power 15 minus 2 minus 3i power 15. So this is nothing but your z. So z bar equal to minus z, that implies your z is purely imaginary. So now I am going to give you one question. This you have to try it yourself. This exercise question. So that this similar type of the question. So that 2 plus I root 3 power 10 minus 2 minus I root 3 power 10 is purely imaginary, and 19 minus 7i by 9 plus I power 12 plus 20 minus 5i by 7 minus 6i power 12 is real. And we left out some questions that is related with your polar form of complex number, that is your exercise 2.5 and 2.6. that once we completed 2.5 and 2.6 we will do the left out question of 2.4. Thank you.